Hello, ChoroQ bus fans. As you know, I like the ChoroQ buses. I have many of them now. But I found it odd that they don't have any school buses. The only thing that I've been able to find is this ChoroQ Zero of a kindergarten bus, but it's really a Nissan NB350, which is like a high-ace van, but Nissan. So you don't need a commercial driver's license to drive a van around, right? So I went and did an original model again, and let's take a look here. Let's get this two out of here. So first I thought, what school bus do I remember? When I was a kid in grade school, we drove around in buses like this. So these are Thomas school buses built on a Freightliner chassis. So I went and downloaded a drawing and made it. I'm not going to show you how I built it. I have a different video on me doing an SUV if you want to know how to design a car in a program. Although the program I use costs $10,000, so it might not help you. It's called SolidWorks. Alright, well anyways, I took that drawing and I made this 30-foot school bus. So this is actually 1/64 scale from the front view at least. To give you a comparison, here's a Mini GT Mustang. So this is how it would look on the road in real life. It's wider, it's obviously taller. But unfortunately, it's just too big for ChoroQ scale. I did obviously shrink it down lengthwise, but let me pull out that ChoroQ bus again. Whoa, look how much taller it is. Look how much wider it is. Sorry, let me back out. The length is the same, but it's just huge. It's too massive. It looks goofy. So if anyone wants to buy this, just send me a message, but it's probably going to cost you a lot because it took me over 10 hours to design just like the normal bus, never mind the shrinking of it and adding new wheel wells and all that stuff. Not a very easy thing to do. But I went and reproportioned everything, and now there we go. So this is now ChoroQ size. Overall length is the same. The width is generally the same, right? The height might be a little different. This one's got a crazy air conditioner box on it. But I also designed it so I can use my old bus wheels I designed for other Choros, and so I use the standard tires from any other ChoroQ, and I have some ChoroQ front axles here just holding these things on. It actually does roll. These are all the marks I used in my resin printer to support this thing as it prints. It was printed around that angle. You can see these diagonal lines, so that's how it printed. Well, technically it prints upside down. And then I overextended everything that I needed to paint, just so it'd be a little easier. So these lights stick out quite a bit. These little bump strips stick out quite a bit, so I could, make it easier to paint. I guess I should probably add some paint to this. I think this is a light also. Yeah, I have this little side escape door. But unfortunately, after shrinking a 35-foot bus down like this, the main doors ended up over the front wheel well, and I didn't feel like redesigning the whole thing, so I just went with it. Okay, yeah, here we go. So I'm pretty happy with it. It's it's a cartoon version of the kind of bus I remember, going to school in as a kid. So let's get a couple of the Choros back up here. So here's I'm thinking that might be an airport shuttle bus, maybe. This I think is like a regular city bus. I think that's gotta be a city bus of some sort. This is some sort of a spa resort bus. And this is a little city bus too. Alright. So you can see, yeah, they're all generally the same. This one's a little bit different in its proportions. That's a little longer, but these four are all around the same length and height and all that stuff. Alright, we'll set this guy spin out zone. And we'll get a little kid in a basketball outfit or something, soccer outfit. Alright, well, that's it for today's original design. I will, I'll do some other original designs if I get the time. I have no clue as to what I want to do though. It's pretty spontaneous, It's and then also because it takes so long to do these things, I literally have to design a regular looking vehicle first before I can modify it to become a cartoon vehicle. So it's almost like creating two different things. Alright, well anyways, thanks for watching today. I'll see you in the next original video. Bye now.